Hello, people. I would like to apologize that I've I've been very busy for the past few weeks. Yeah. So I've been painting and busy at work, so on. So this is my progress so far. It's like 70% done. Um, so this is the commission that I get from my friend doing his Space Wolves. So these two here in front is Rune Priest. The two squad of Long Fangs here, and the normal wolf guards. Yeah. Hope you can see this. Yep. So once I finish with the tanks, the Razorbacks, I will create a video for it, and I will update on the Thunder Wolves. Currently I'm working on them now, so yeah, he's one of the special character. So yeah, so catch you guys later. Yeah, I got nothing else to say. Okay, goodbye.